Well, good day, everybody. How are you? We are now at the 3rd of September, 2025. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching this. We're going to give you a quick market breakdown, talk about the Santa Clarita market in under 3 minutes, and get to the rest of the news. Closed sales 55. We have 87 new listings that have been posted in these past 7 days. Days on market timeframes, we're actually seeing that start to increase. That's because kids have gone back into school. We're getting into that fall, winter time. You wouldn't know it by the heat, but we're starting to get into that transition where we have the holidays, and in those particular times of year, less people want to sell, less people want to buy. But those that are on the market, those people that are actively looking and those people that are actively wanting to sell really want to. So that's something to look forward to if you happen to be in the market at this particular time. The Fed interest rates, those have actually started to be talked about a lot more as they have been for the past couple months, but more recently, looks like we might actually have a chance at that Fed funds rate reducing. We'll have to watch and see if that happens. There's still a lot of angst between the president and Jerome Powell, back and forth, and a lot of anger and who knows what kind of measuring contest. But again, it's there, and we'll have to watch and wait and see what happens. We do know that the Fed funds rate, of course, that's not directly impacting the mortgage rates. Those are based on the 10-year bond. So we've been seeing the economy, everything continue to improve. And we have a 10-month low actually in interest rates. If you haven't checked with your lender in that time, maybe you're going to revisit buying real estate, reach out to them and find out where you happen to be now. Insurance here in Southern California, yeah, it's a mess. And if you're buying real estate, that would be one of the first things that I do currently. And that's how I'm telling my buyers, don't wait until the very end. Don't wait even for a week or two in. If you find that property, you should have your insurance broker or insurance agent on speed dial. You should be able to call them up and say, listen, this house went on the market. I just want to check and see where the insurance rates happen to be. Is there going to be any issue, or do you see any problem? Most insurance brokers, at least, are nimble enough to be able to get you that information. We see more inventory on the market as well. We're right now crunching 750 active real estate listings on the market for sale. There's more to choose from for buyers out there. Sellers also, you have a little bit more competition, so you want to make sure your properties are dialed in. You're getting good advice, and your agent is telling you where you need to be priced strategically. And of course, depending on how much of a hurry you happen to be in, is going to be where that price falls in. Buyers in this particular market, lots of online education as far as real estate goes. They're not completely oblivious to giving less than what's actually offered if the value happens to be there. So don't panic too much about overpricing. You just want to be in the right range. I'm Connor with Honor, Santa Clarita, openhouses.com. We'll see you tomorrow.